Hello, so today I'm at the park. I'm just taking some fresh air and there's nobody right now, but at the park it's cold and there's a lot of mud. So I'm just getting fresh air while I'm in vacation. It's Wednesday and yeah, later on I'm gonna meet with my mother. She's gonna bring my gift for my birthday that I haven't picked up. So later on after work, when she's done with work, she's gonna meet me at my place and she's gonna give me my gift from last year. So can't wait to see it. I have no idea what it is, but apparently it's so huge to the point like I cannot take it with me in the bus. So she rather come with her car and leave it to my place so it won't be a hassle for me. And now the sun is getting out, so yeah, it's a little bit cold, a little bit chilly. I'm always cold when it comes to my hand, but you know, it's a beautiful day. There's no snow so far, so yeah. All right. Alright guys, so I just came back. Today's a beautiful day, but it's still a little bit cold like I told you. And I just met with my mother. It was a quick meeting. She has so many things to do, so we didn't have to really talk much. But you know, she brought my gift from last year. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. I don't know what it is. So okay. First of all, okay, oh, think maybe those are panties, I'm assuming. Yes, it is. Oh, it's big. Yeah, panties. This one is cute though. This one. Yeah, but it's nice. It's nice. Okay. What? Okay. Age Perfect multi-purpose honey balm, target relief for dry skin, for face, neck, chest, and hand. L'Oreal Paris. Okay, okay. Ultra facial cream. Okay. Aven. Okay. What is it? It's thermal spring water. Soothing, softening for sensitive skin. Okay, interesting. Beauty Insider Moroccan oil. Okay, so what is it? shampoo, conditioner, okay, treatment, okay. Oh, some jewelry. Okay, on to the next. This is mani pedi kit, day in and out. Sherpa-Line quarter crew socks. Okay, this is cute. Okay, I love those kind of socks, you know, those big fluffy socks. They're nice for the winter. Very comfy. And of course, those vegan oat and milk base hazelnut. I don't know if, I think she ate it, but maybe she find where to I don't know, but I gave so many vegan chocolate to my mother for her birthday, and I gave one of those from Lindt, and they have like original, like just oat milk regular, they have a caramel, they have a hazelnut, and yeah, so this is nice. I was craving chocolate, and I've seen like in the grocery store it's like $10 now. It used to be like $7, and sometimes on special $5.49, and I'm like, wow. And now I've seen this week it's like $10, and I'm like, $8, $9, $10, $3. No, I don't think so. But yeah, I love these. I love this. This is good. Hazelnut, Lindt. So that's it. That was the unboxing of my gift that I was supposed to have for my birthday last year. So there you go. And it's a beautiful day. It's sunny. It starts to snow here and there. It's like an hour late, an hour it's a little bit snowing. It's like melting snow. It's not even touching the ground, and then next thing you know it's stopping, and then it's starting over again, but it's just little snow. It's not like heavy stormy snow, but it's just a little bit and a little bit and a little bit and a little bit, you know. So anyways, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.